Hello, I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates stopped rising on Wednesday after 5 consecutive days of heading higher, but the Federal Reserve's assurances after a midweek meeting that it would not hike the short-term rates it controls did not have much of an immediate impact on the mortgage market. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4.75%. with 2.5 points, down 1/8 of a point from Tuesday for a savings of $125 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is still at 1 point, meaning it remained unchanged from Tuesday's level. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was down 1/8 of a point, with the 4.25% rate at 1 5/8 points, and the 4.5% rate is now at 1/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system on changes in rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when rates are about to go up. And if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage professional by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company has had time to execute an emergency rate change. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. November consumer prices were up an as expected 0.4%, but the core rate, excluding food and energy, was unchanged, a development which was taken as good news by the bond market. On Thursday, we will see weekly jobless claims for state unemployment benefits. The estimate is for a slight decline in first-time applications. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Thursday morning for my next free mortgage rate update.